3914. Which action is necessary in order to perform a normal descent in an airship? A. Valve gas. B. Valve air. C. Take air into the aft ballonets. The correct answer is A. To perform a normal descent in an airship, the necessary action is to valve gas. By valving gas, the airship reduces its buoyancy and becomes less positively buoyant, allowing it to descend. This is achieved by releasing the lifting gas from the envelope, typically through gas vents or valving systems. Valving gas is a controlled process that enables the airship to descend at a desired rate while maintaining stability and control. It is an essential maneuver for adjusting altitude and executing a safe and controlled descent during flight operations. 3915. If an airship should experience failure of both engines during flight and neither engine can be restarted, what initial immediate action must the pilot take? A. The airship must be driven down to a landing before control and envelope shape are lost. B. The emergency auxiliary power unit must be started for electrical power to the air scoop blowers so that ballonet inflation can be maintained. C. Immediate preparations to operate the airship as a free balloon are necessary. The correct answer is C. If an airship experiences failure of both engines during flight and neither engine can be restarted, the pilot must take immediate preparations to operate the airship as a free balloon. A free balloon is an airship that is not under propulsion and relies solely on the natural wind currents for movement. In this situation, the pilot needs to assess the available options for maintaining control and safety. This may involve preparing for a controlled descent and landing, determining the best course of action based on the prevailing wind conditions and available landing sites. The pilot should also communicate the situation and intentions to the appropriate authorities and crew members to ensure a coordinated response and the safety of everyone on board. 3958. The formation of ice in a carburetor's throat is indicated by A. Rough engine operation 5, followed by a decrease in oil pressure. B. A rapid increase in RPM, followed by rough engine operation. C. A drop in RPM, followed by rough engine operation. The correct answer is C. When ice forms in a carburetor's throat, it can obstruct the flow of air and fuel into the engine, leading to a drop in RPM, revolutions per minute, and causing the engine to operate roughly. The ice formation disrupts the proper air-fuel mixture, affecting the engine's performance. Therefore, a drop in RPM followed by rough engine operation indicates the presence of ice in the carburetor's throat. 3959. The purpose of the fuel tank vent system is to A. Remove dangerous vapors from the aircraft and prevent an explosion. B. Allow air to enter the tank as fuel is consumed. C. Ensure a proper fuel-to-air ratio. The correct answer is B. The fuel tank vent system allows air to enter the fuel tank as fuel is consumed, preventing a vacuum from forming inside the tank. It ensures a balanced pressure and allows for a consistent fuel flow to the engine. 3960. A standby source of fuel to an engine in a powered parachute is typically A. From an electrically powered pump. B. Through gravity feed. C. From a pressurized fuel tank. The correct answer is A. In powered parachutes, a standby source of fuel is typically provided through an electrically powered pump. This pump ensures a continuous fuel supply to the engine in case of a primary fuel system failure. It is designed to be independent of gravity feed or a pressurized fuel tank, providing reliability and redundancy in case of emergencies or fuel system malfunctions.